Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Workbench here at Scale Models Midwest. As always, I'm David. Hope you're having a great 4th of July weekend. It's Sunday afternoon already, and as you can see, I do have, this is my Model Cars and Coffee edition, where my coffee is all but gone, but it's also cold, so I got a microwave down here. I can slap it in for the last remaining drops of coffee. Been down here for a few hours just playing with this latest kit. So I just want to go ahead and jump right into it, show you what I got, and then get this over to the paint booth and then start putting some primer on it. I've had this one on my stash for a while. I finally decided I'd build it. It is AMT's 2021 Ford Bronco. It's 1/25th scale. It's the 2-door, not 4-door version. I don't know of any 4-door versions that are out there, but the 2-door version I think actually looks a lot sharper. It's just got that beefy look to it. I like it. I would love to put some aftermarket tires and rims on this one, but that'll be for another kit for another day. This one's just going to be straight from the kit. Everything in there, just paint detail. I've got the majority of the kit ready to put in a primer and ultimately color coats. I've never have enough of these. I'm going to have to go to the hobby shop and pick up another 20 pack of those, but what I have here is ready to go. I've already sanded and cleaned up the body, rescrubbed the panel lines a bit. I'm going to put this in a darker primer coat, and then I will mask off the body panels and do the roll cage, the areas that are in like a semi-gloss black or flat black, and then I will mask that and do the body color, and then just pick out details where I need to. The chassis, this one's also ready to go into the spray booth. And down here, whatever I decide for the color, I have to remind myself to mask off the wheel well arches as well as the front. And then this area in the middle gets painted body color. That is according to the July issue, number 221 of Model Cars magazine. You can see that's the Bronco they built there. Always good to have, research materials on hand when you're building kits, because you can always get some good ideas. But as you can see here, hopefully I can show this on the camera, that's what they did as well. They masked it and then painted the chassis body color, and then the rest of it was that flat black. That's also what I plan on doing with the flares. I'm going to paint those a flat black. Tires, or I should say the rims, are going to get painted semi-gloss black, and then I'll pick out the details. The interior I'm probably going to do in 2 shades. I'll either do a semi-gloss black and matte German gray, or I will do black and flat black and pick out details. There's a lot of decals on little sheets, so kind of lends itself out for a little bit of paint detailing. The grill, I think I'm going to go with either a chrome grill or a white grill, but I'm still on the fence on that one. But that's basically it. It's just going to be a quick kit. Just get it off the table, get it on the workbench, get it cleaned up, get into the booth, get some primer and color coats on it, get it back on the workbench, put it together, and then hit another kit. This one, like I said, pretty much box stock, paint detail. And it's always cool to kind of do something like that. It's a great slump buster for one, if you're finding yourself in a rut and you just can't get something done. But I'm getting some stuff together for some future kits coming very close down the pike. But I need to get aftermarket engines, aftermarket tires and rims, wire distributors, and so on and so forth, because those are going to definitely be higher detail kits. They're going to take some time, and rather than get into a rut on those while I'm waiting, put something like this together, be happy with the outcome. So with that, I'm going to go on ahead and let you go for the rest of the afternoon, and we'll just catch you in the next video. Keep building the cool kits.